Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy vest or cardigan. You can make it long or you can make it short. This is so simple. It's a very easy method. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. To make this easy vest, you're going to work with either one strand of chunky yarn or 2 strands of worsted weight yarn. Today I'm going to use some chunky yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. So I'm going to start with a slip knot, and I'm going to work a foundation chain that is the length that I need for the length that I am making my cardigan or vest. So I'm just going to work a small section. You're going to work this as long as you need. And when you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to single crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's going to take the place of a single crochet and a chain 1 space. Now you're going to chain 1. You're going to skip the next stitch and single crochet in the next. And we're working the linen stitch. You're going to do that all the way across your row. So chain 1, skip, single crochet, chain 1, skip, single crochet. And you're going to work that all the way down your row. And that's that. At the end of your row, you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and that will take the place of a single crochet and a chain 1. So now you're going to find your first chain 1 space, and they are every second stitch across the row. You're going to single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet. And that's how you work the linen stitch. And you're going to continue to work this pattern until you have a rectangle that's as long as you would like to have your cardigan or vest to be. And that is the way the stitch will look. It's nice and cozy, and it's very flexible, so it's going to fit very easily no matter what size you are. And you're going to work these rectangles according to your measurements. And you're going to work 3 rectangles, 1 for the back and 2 for the front. After you have all 3 of your pieces worked, you're going to join at the shoulders, but leave the center 1/3 not attached. And you'll fold those toward the center, and those will form lapels on the front of your vest. If you'd like to make your sweater with long sleeves or even short sleeves, you're going to work a foundation chain and then work exactly the same. Work a rectangle for each arm, and then you will attach that at the armholes and sew the underarm seam. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this cardigan or vest. And you can make it long or short, and you can make it to fit any size. And the written pattern is below the video in the very first comment. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.